Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove multiple column of table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the table and now select the table, then click right on your mouse and you can see here are delete 3 row option. Then click this. Now insert again a table. Now select the multiple table and click right on your mouse and click delete 4 rows. You can delete another way. Firstly, select the column, then click right on your mouse and click delete 2 column. Here we can see remove multiple column of table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.